Hi guys, it's Lindsay, and today we are making my candy bar reindeer pops. You guys, I die. How cute are these little reindeer pops? They're made entirely out of chocolate and candy bars and Tootsie Rolls, so they're so easy and they're so cute. I of course did Rudolph the pink-nosed reindeer. You can definitely do red-nosed reindeer, or you could do a whole squad of them with the black noses and then the red one in front for a whole scene of chocolate edible candy bar reindeers. And if you're not already subscribed to my YouTube channel, be sure to tap that subscribe button and the notification bell to be the first to see my all new videos, and I'll love you forever and ever. These are basically a super duper simple alternative to cake pops because there's no baking. You're just taking like candy and gluing it together with melted chocolate to create like the most adorable little reindeer ever. These would be totally perfect to wrap up in little cellophane bags and give as holiday gifts at school or work. Everybody is totally gonna get a kick out of these, and they're chocolate and edible, so who wouldn't love biting the head off of one of these reindeer? All right, so let's get started assembling these little guys, and as always, I'll leave the full written instructions for you down below in the description. And I wanna know, what is your favorite holiday song? It could be a Christmas carol or a song on the radio around the holidays. Leave me a comment down below and let me know. So first you're just gonna melt some chocolate candy melts to use as your glue. Then take a fun-sized Milky Way bar, and this is gonna be the body of your reindeer. So just turn it upside down and take a lollipop stick and stick it in your melted candy melts and just plunge it right through the bottom of the center of the candy bar. And just make sure you don't do it too far so it doesn't poke out of the top. Now we move on to the limbs, so just take a Tootsie Roll and cut it in half, and then cut each half in half again to create the 4 little legs for your reindeer. And you're just gonna mold these into shape with your fingers, and the warmth of your hand will kind of make the Tootsie Roll nice and pliable. Then go ahead and dip them in the melted candy melts and attach them to the bottom of each corner of the candy bar. Okay, so my little trick for letting these dry standing upright, so you're not like laying them down and body parts are falling off, is to use an upside down egg carton. And that way you can just make a little hole, stick the stick right in there, and they'll stand straight up so you can finish decorating without having to like hold it with one hand and try to add things on with the other hand. Super simple, genius, I know. I didn't come up with it, I saw it online. Next we're gonna take another Tootsie Roll, and this is gonna be the head. So just go ahead and mold it into the shape of a little reindeer head. Kind of in a cone shape, so it's bigger at the base and skinnier at the nose. Then just take an edible marker, or you can use a little paintbrush and some black food coloring and draw on the little eyes and some eyelashes. Then I went ahead and added a little pink candy nose. You can do red, you can do whatever color you want. Next, just take 2 teeny tiny little pieces of the Tootsie Roll and go ahead and mold those into 2 little ears for the top of the reindeer's head. Go ahead and add some of your chocolate candy melts and just attach those right on top. Last, I drew on a little mouth for our little reindeer head. Then we can go ahead and attach it right on top of the body. And for the antlers, I just took a mini pretzel twist and cut it in half, and then just kind of sawed off any connecting edges to create 2 little antlers. Then in a small bowl, add some clear vanilla extract and some edible luster dust, and just mix that together with a food-safe paintbrush and brush your edible gold paint right onto your little pretzel antlers until they're completely covered in the gold paint. Then go ahead and use your melted candy melts to attach them right behind the ears on the top of your little reindeer's head. If you want to leave these plain, you can definitely just use plain pretzels. You don't have to paint them gold. Then we're just going to take a teeny tiny little piece for a little tail on the back. And I just added some gold sprinkles as little bells to really jazz up my reindeer, and there you have it. How cute did this turn out? And you can really do these in any color. I made a little friend with a gold nose to create a cute little reindeer set. Aww. Okay, now you can wrap these up individually in like clear plastic baggies, or you can take like a styrofoam block and wrap it in holiday wrapping paper. That way the little stick will pop right into the styrofoam. You can display your little reindeer pops and have them all standing upright for people to grab and go at a party, or to put as a centerpiece on the table. You guys, I am so obsessed with these, and these actually have a special place in my heart because when I very first started vlogging back in 2010, these reindeer pops were one of like the first things I ever made for the holidays. They didn't have gold antlers or pink noses back then. And if you guys give these a try, be sure to follow me on social media. Tag me in a picture so I can go like and comment on all of your adorable recreations and see your little reindeer pops. Or share this video with somebody who you know would totally want to make these too. And if you guys love this video, be sure to tap the thumbs up so I know to make more just like it. And then go check out my next video where I'm using these in a no-bake cake to make the ultimate holiday cake centerpiece. Thank you guys so much for watching and leaving me comments. You're the best. I love you so much. Shine on, babes, and I'll see you right here next time. Happy holidays. Guys, I have the best holiday recipes this year on my YouTube channel. You've got to go check it out. I have the full step-by-step tutorial to make this little Rudolph the pink-nosed reindeer, and he's made all out of chocolate and candy bars. So it's a no-bake recipe, and it's so cute.